Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 9 GMT. The French business climate in manufacturing at 6:45 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence adjusted will be released at 4:30 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 6 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 6 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Global stocks fell and the dollar rose, reflecting investors' preference for perceived safe havens as concerns mounted over possible US involvement in the Israel-Iran air war, which has ignited a rally in the oil price this week. Coinbase and Circle shares surged after US lawmakers signaled support for clearer stablecoin regulation by pushing through the Genius Act for House approval. The rally followed Tuesday's 68-30 Senate vote in favor of the Genius Act. The dollar edged up as the threat of a broader Middle East conflict loomed over markets, while a raft of rate decisions in Europe highlighted the difficulty central bankers have in dealing with heightened uncertainty.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.